Hey, Robert, Trent Tate here with Tameron Honda's Internet Department. Sir, thank you so much. My manager, Rob, said he spoke with you moments ago on the phone, said you were doing some legwork, trying to find your mom the right deal on a Honda Odyssey. Said you live up there close to where I think his dad or something grew up, and said you were looking at an EXL with the navigation and rear entertainment package, just like this vehicle right here. We are Alabama's leading volume dealer, Robert, so we're going to have the very best inventory for you to choose from. And the Odyssey is one of the safest minivans in America. I know you want your mama to be safe, man. It's going to have standard, all the lane keeping assist systems, front collision mitigation, automatic braking, adaptive cruise control. On top of having Honda's signature Ace body design and structure, you're going to have over 12 airbags in this vehicle. You're going to have Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and in-dash Garmin-based navigation, along with your touchscreen interface there, as well as seating for 8 is very comfortable. And I'm here to provide any information I can do to help you guys make a well-informed decision. My name is Trent Tate. I'm a senior product specialist here with the dealership. So I look forward to working with you, and I can make you this promise: when you make it into Tameron Honda, you're going to love the way you're treated.